My name is Patji. Well, I first heard about RSU through a friend who came to the training. He couldn't stop talking about it, so I thought, you know what, let me give it a try. Having come here, I learned a lot. I have learned that one can start up their own business. You don't necessarily have to own an office of any sort. I've also learned a little few magics about what happens behind closed doors for one to start up a recruitment agency. What I've taken away with me today is that with the right mentorship, the right guidance, anything is possible. RSU has explained a lot of things to me regarding starting up a business. I would recommend RSU to whoever else is interested in starting up their own business, as the packages that they have to offer are very good. They walk with you all the way through the process, from starting up to how you can get clients and how you can get your employees into work. So really, if you do want to start up something of your own, if you want to have the financial freedom, if you want to have time with your family, your kids, I highly recommend RSU.